Hi friends, today I received these new curtains for my bedroom. Are from Amazon, and I'm gonna put it right now so I can show you how they see. First, I wanna show you the design. Look, are so large, and this design is beautiful. The colors are perfect, and the material permit that the light cross by the curtain, so that's great because I love the light in my bedroom. So let me put it and let me show you how they see. I can say that the materials feels good, feels comfortable and high quality. Other thing that I think that is great of these curtains is that you can put it in your wash machine without problems. So that's great because you can keep clean your curtains so easy. And as you can see, are so easy to put too. You just use these holes that have this plastic. This is a great detail. And now this curtain have two parts, as you can see. So when you put it, this part looks this way. I think that is a great touch because look more elegant. And you can open it here and let the light in your room, or you can use it close it and looks beautiful. The large is perfect if you have a big window in your room. So I highly recommend these curtains for you. See you.